Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be taking down my sewing, and I wanted to share that process with you all. I actually had a friend that just asked me how I take my own sewings out, and I just thought, why not record it and share that with you guys if anyone else, had questions like that. But I also wanted to kind of give you guys a review of the stylist that did my hair. As you guys know, I typically do my own hair. So when I go to someone to get my hair done, I want to go to the best of the best. Because I feel like I can do pretty much any style with a little bit of practice. But sew-ins, I will definitely go to somebody for a sew-in. I love a good sew-in, and the stylist that I went to, her name is Stylist by Misi. I will put her down below, and she did a phenomenal job. You guys are gonna see my braid down when I take the hair out, but she did an amazing job. I literally have no complaints about her at all. She was very hospitable when I went to my appointment, was on time, and yeah, the style was great. Like I said, you're going to see my braid down in just a minute, but let me tell you guys how I actually took my hair down. So as you guys could see, I was sectioning off the hair that was left out. So I actually got a minimal leave out. And I got a side part, of course, but I'm just sectioning off, making sure that I braid my real hair down very good and neat, because I do not want to cut any of my hair. So I'm just doing that, taking my time. And really the trick, I guess you could say, for taking your own sewing out is patience and time. It's not something that I do quickly or anything that I rush through. So first things first, you're gonna get your scissors and a mirror that you can see good with. So I make sure I have enough lighting. I typically don't do it at night because again, I wanna make sure I have enough light. So I'm looking to see the thread, and I kind of see how like the stylist did her sewing, to see like if she sewed over the tracks or like kind of like under. I don't know. It's more so you'll just have to look and see, and you're looking for the thread. And for me, just to feel comfortable, I always slide my scissors through the thread, and I don't actually like bring them together to make a cut. I just pull up so that my scissors kind of just cut the thread on its own, and that way I just feel comfortable knowing that I'm not actually like snipping my hair. So I'm going around doing that on each track. If I ever get stuck or I can't see anything, I just slow it down and I use my hands to feel for it. So I'm making a feel for the actual thread. I'm making sure that I feel thread before I even bring my scissors to that section. Like as you guys can see, I wanted to make sure you guys could see what I'm really doing. But again, I'm just feeling for the thread and taking my scissors and going up through them. But if you look a little bit closer, you can see that there's thread over top of the track. You can also go that way so that you're not actually like digging into your braids. That way you'll be even more sure that you're not cutting your actual hair. Now, this process is pretty self-explanatory. You're going to do that all the way through. But like I said, once you get to the back, you're going to really start relying on, your sensory type skills. You want to feel for the thread before you do anything. And if it comes down to it, you can't do it, of course, get a friend. But anyways, I just wanted you guys to kind of see like this is something that you can do at home. But yeah, so back to the stylist and my actual install. This install, I didn't keep in too long because there was other hairstyles that I was planning on doing. But this hairstyle definitely could have lasted me a good month, even longer. But you'll need some type of maintenance on it. But All in all, she did a phenomenal job. Now, she is very booked and busy, so the only thing is that getting an appointment with her is a little bit hard. But if you stay on it, she does let you know when her books open up, and I was determined to book with her. So as soon as her books opened up, I was there to book, and they literally were booked up within minutes. So just make sure if you want to book with her, you're prepared and ready. Other than that, I would definitely recommend going to her if you are here in the Houston area as well. Her suite was very comfortable and secluded. You know, I didn't feel uncomfortable at all. There wasn't any other like stylist in there, any other clients or anything. I definitely feel like she spaces out her time accordingly and gets you in and out. So, you know, she didn't rush or anything like that, but the whole process was comfortable. I didn't feel rushed at all. I feel like she spaced out her appointments well enough to where you don't feel rushed. But anyways, guys, I guess just enjoy me taking my hair down. And then again, look at that braid down. Oh my goodness. So I will link her below. Again, loved my install. And thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you take your own hair down as well, or if you do your own sew-ins. But like this video if you like it. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I cannot wait to see you all in the next video.